every touch point that you create in your sequence or in your sales funnel, you're opening the potential to lose customers. Does your business need a sales funnel? A lot of clients come to us and they say, yes, we want this sales funnel put in place because they've heard how fantastic and how profitable sales funnels can be. But there's a lot of information out there that I'd really like to address. And the first is how big this sales funnel needs to be. You see, with every touch point that you create in your sequence or in your sales funnel, you're opening the potential to lose customers. And so from the start of the sales funnel to the end, you will lose customers along every step. So the best sales funnels often start with 2 steps because you're less likely to lose people and you're more likely to work out whether that sales funnel works and is compelling enough to sell your product or service. So we recommend starting short, and then as you get that sales funnel working, you can introduce multiple other points that will pick up the people who didn't convert on the first time when they visited your sales page, but they convert through remarketing, or they convert through your email marketing, or they convert through a webinar that they see. That's where you can then expand your sales funnel. So initially I would say, yes, you definitely need a sales funnel, but start with the 2 steps and then introduce other steps as that initial sales funnel becomes profitable.